Hi everyone, my name's Rich. I've been with Bear Bull Traders now for about 9 months. I think they're a great community. I've learned loads since I've been with them. So anyway, I've just been trading now with real money for about 3 months. Just feel like things are starting to click a bit. Starting to get a bit of handle on certain strategies that I've been trying to use. So I thought I'd share this trade in Neo with you. Initially, looking at it pre-market, it had a sort of just at the build up to market open, it started trading in a narrow range. Don't really know what attracted me to it really. It was just kept sort of bouncing off 4.2, sort of 14.2, sorry, sort of price range where I've drawn the second yellow bar. So I was just looking at it for a potential long opportunity. I didn't have any shares for short anyway, so if it was going the other way, I'd just abandon it. So yeah, so anyway, I actually entered pre-market first, which was a bit silly. It was just a bit of an impatient trade. Actually got stopped out. But anyway, carried on watching it, and at market open, it just dropped below the yellow line of the narrow range that I'd identified, but it popped back into it. So I decided to get long at market open, and we got a nice bit of volume come in. Popped out to the range, took my first partial, whipped back down, come straight back up, stayed in the trade, respected the moving averages, respected VWAP. Only on lower volume as well. Popped straight back up now through pre-market high, which is this pink dash line. So the range actually identified here was just a little narrow range within the actual pre-market range. So yeah, that's just gone through pre-market high there. So I took 2 more partials, and it sort of hit point of control on the 1 minute chart. So this actually got all out here. This was actually I took all my shares out of the trade at this second red triangle, and decided to carry on watching it. Got an inverted hammer at the point of control, but just carried on watching it still. Was only getting low volume at this point as it was starting to come back, so I got back in here. Pulled back on low volume, but nice hammer candle here, hammer doji. Respecting it, actually finding support now at pre-market high, respecting the 9 EMA. Got another nice pop up through point of control. Took a couple of partials again. Got all out again here. This was a bit reactive. I should have stayed in with the rest of my shares there really. That's just something I need to work on. Just being a bit too reactive on the first initial pullback. Should be waiting to see if it's respecting the moving averages, which it was. So carried on watching it, went through point of control on the 1 minute chart, so I decided to get back in again here. Nice volume coming in again, nice pop, 2 more partials on this candle, and just looking at the 5 minute, you've actually got the 5 minute point of control there where it's starting to find resistance. Obviously on the longer time frame as well, so a bit more substantial volume. Point of control is always obviously more substantial the longer time frame chart you've got. So I saw that, and I decided to get all out again here after the initial partials, and then it started to do quite a big reversal after that. So that was it then. I just called it a day on the one trade there. Yeah, and that was it. So hope you had a good day today, everybody. If you did trade, hope you stayed green, and that's it. Thank you.